Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. If you hear ringing in the head, this technique might help you. The best medicines in our body, let's tap into it. Before we get started, please make sure your hands are nice and clean, fingernails trim and filed. There's an area above the tip of the ears. In traditional Chinese medicine, this is to address the head ringing, 脑鸣 in Chinese. The ringing mostly happens in the back of the head. It's about 1 centimeter above the tip of the ear. Fold your ear forward to find the tip of the ear. My index finger is roughly 1 centimeter wide, so use 3 fingers together. You can pretty much cover the area. This is where the temporal nerves go into the brain. While having 3 fingers press over the 脑鸣 area, press your thumb into the big depression behind your earlobe. This is the 一风 point, the wind screen point, a very powerful point for treating ear, nose, and throat problems. The pressure is gentle. Open your mouth slightly. Move the elbows in a circular motion. It is this circular movement of the elbows are generating the massage. We're not using the wrists or fingers to press hard. Remember, light pressure, massage for 100 times. Keep the chin tucked a little to maintain that good neutral neck posture. When the mouth is open slightly, it allows a better access to the 一风 point. As you massage this area, you start noticing your brain gradually become relaxed. Emotions are moving through as well. You can do both sides at the same time, but if there are too much tension built up in the shoulders, massage the left side first. If you do one side at a time, afterwards, switch to the other side and repeat. Keep everything in balance. If you want to work on the 脑鸣 area and the 一风 point separately, that is okay too. Once you're finished, gently run your fingertips over your skull for 100 times. You want to cover the entire head from front and center, then from the side to the base of the head, and gently squeeze the base of the head before repeating. Don't underestimate this gentle movement of running your fingers through your skull. In TCM, the head is where the yang energy of the body converges. 7 powerful meridians run through the head, including the governing channel. This promotes microblood circulation in the capillary network in our skull. It gently stimulates the nervous system by stimulating nerve endings and facilitate the repair of damaged tissues. Do this set of practice 3 times a day, 1 in the morning, 1 time in the evening, and before you go to bed. But if you hear ringing in the head often, try to do it as much as you can. Friends, the causes for tinnitus are complex. If it is not caused by a physical accident, it is often the early sign of other issues in the body in traditional Chinese medicine point of view. I hope this video is helpful. Please let me know how it goes for you. Please leave me a comment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. And do share this video with family and friends. Sharing is caring. Until next time, take good care of yourself.